All right, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars of Palm Beach, doing a walk-around video on this 2017 Mini Cooper. These videos are to point out any flaws or blemishes so there's no surprise to our out-of-town buyers. So let's take a quick look here, starting with the bumper. Front bumper looks to be real good. Grille looks real good. Headlight looks good on the driver's side. Looks like it's missing a little mini emblem right here, but the hood seems to be in very good condition as well. And the passenger side headlight looks good as well. Front fender on the driver's side, no scratches, dents, or dings. Front wheel looks good, no curb rash. I'll call the front tires at about 60%. Driver's side of the car, no scratches, dents, or dings all the way down. Little tiny scuff here on the mirror that might buff out. A little ding right here. Rear wheel looks good, no curb rash. I'll call the rear tires brand new. Rear bumper looks great. Little scuff right here. Tail light looks real good. Second tail light looks good. Super clean in here. Passenger side looks excellent. Rear wheel looks good on the passenger side as well, no curb rash. Little tiny ding here. Glass looks good, no chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks. Roof looks real good. Door looks fantastic on the driver's side, super clean. Seats look great. Let's get the Harman Kardon stereo system. Dashboard all looks excellent. All the buttons look real nice. Headliner looks fantastic. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. No warning lights. And let's take a quick look under the hood, and that will conclude our video. Nice and clean, no visible oil leaks, very quiet.